You're on the stone. Your cousin? Oh, look at you three.
Hi, Grandma.
Yeah, say it one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Yeah. Come on, let's go up. That's a little circle. Watch that rock. You okay, Josh?
Hi, Grandma. You liking the green? I don't like that hat.
No?
I don't want this one.
What, did Daddy bring you a Yankee hat?
Yeah.
Did he? Where's it? Did you guys eat the berries?
Yeah.
You gotta hurry up because they're going soon. They won't be anymore. Look at, they're going bad. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Going bad. Going bad.
Yep. Come on, let's go find some because I think they're almost all gone.
Oh yeah. It's all gone.
Almost.
Almost. Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
That's the boys. Isn't it beautiful here, Ma? Look at the house. It's a master bedroom up there.
Where's the boy? Where's the boy?
That's my
Where'd the
barn.
boys go?
There they go. This is the backyard. Isn't it beautiful? It's my trees. Not mine, they're God's, but he's letting me borrow them. That's my canoe.
I'll kill myself.
Anyway.